Hello everybody. Today in this video we are going to learn how to convert wedge formula to Fisher projection formula. So let us consider a hypothetical molecule. So here I have taken this hypothetical molecule in which we have CH3 and NH2 both are in same plane. That is represented by this bold line. So that indicates that CH3 and NH2 are in same plane, and the atom which is shown in dashed bond, so that is hydrogen is shown in dash bond, so that is going away from us, and the one which is shown in wedge bond, here it is OH, so that is pointing towards us. So this is what we understand from this wedge formula. So how to convert this one into Fisher projection formula? So if you view the molecule from this side, now CH3 and H2 are looking like they are in down the plane. So that we are representing it like this. So here we have the carbon atom and CH3 there on the top, and we have NH2 group at the bottom. So the other two bonds, that is above the plane. So one is at the right hand side and another one is at left hand side. So on the right hand side we have OH, on the left hand side we have hydrogen atom. So this is how it has to be represented. Then while converting this one into Fisher projection formula, so that will be represented like this. This point represents the carbon atom, and there are four groups that is attached to this carbon atom. So here CH3 is there on the top, OH on the right hand side, hydrogen on a left hand side, and we have one more NH2 group at the fourth position. So this is the Fisher projection formula for this compound. I will also tell you the trick how to draw the Fisher projection formula from wedge. So just we have to pull the wedge bond to the other side. So while pulling, so CH3 and H2 will lie in vertical line and OH will be there on the right hand side and hydrogen will go to the left side. So this is the trick, just pulling the wedge bond to the other side. So let us see one more example. See here. So wedge bond should be pulled to the other side. So wedge bond is pulled to the other side. Similarly, chlorine should be pulled to the other side. So chlorine is there in the wedge bond, so that should be pulled to the other side. So while pulling it, so we will be getting so CH3 on the top and the rest of the group at the bottom, and chlorine is now at the left hand side, hydrogen is there in the right hand side. Here in the case of this carbon atom, so OH will be there on the left hand side and NH2 group will be there on the right hand side. Let us check now whether the answer is right or wrong. Yes, the answer is right. So this is how you have to convert wedge formula to Fisher projection formula.